Let's take a tour of this fresh, luxurious kitchen makeover, brought to life by the VKB Kitchen and Bath team. Let's begin with the first thing that catches the eye, the polished marble countertop. Perfect for everyday prep or entertaining. The glossy finish brings a clean, upscale energy to the space. Above those surfaces, we added task lighting. It gently highlights the workspace while creating a cozy, ambient feel. And when it comes to storage and flow, we didn't waste an inch. Custom cabinetry was installed all the way up, maximizing vertical space while keeping everything organized and accessible. A major win for functionality without compromising style. We also introduced a built-in smart drink cooler, tucked seamlessly into the lower cabinetry. When it came to the color scheme, we had plenty of directions we could go in. But this elegant combination of white, gold, and seafoam green was chosen to perfectly match our client's taste and vision for the space. Beneath it all, we laid down a shiny wooden floor, adding warmth and texture underfoot while staying easy to maintain. It grounds the space beautifully and adds that soft, natural contrast against the high gloss finishes. From thoughtful details to standout features, this kitchen is a true blend of beauty and practicality. Ready to bring your dream kitchen or bath to life? Let VKB Kitchen and Bath make it happen. Get in touch today and let's create something incredible together.